First, the seat bottom and seat bottom sides, which include the lap belt guides. These can be adjusted to 3 width settings to maximise comfort of the child and to optimise the lap belt fit. Adjust the sides by pulling with the fingers on the green seat bottom side adjustment lock, which is under the front edge of the seat bottom. Second is the seat back with the seat back sides shoulder rests. These can be adjusted to 3 width settings to maximise the comfort of the child. Adjust the sides by depressing the lock here and simultaneously rotating the seat back side adjustment knob to the desired width. Next, the headrest and the headrest sides. These can be adjusted to 3 width settings to maximise the comfort of the child and to optimise the shoulder belt fit. Adjust the sides by pushing down with the fingers here while simultaneously sliding the headrest sides to the desired width. Finally, the seat back and headrest together can be adjusted to 9 different height settings. Adjust the height with the green headrest height adjustment lever. The lever is under the fabric headrest adjustment cover, which is identified with a green tab. Pull this open and lift the lever up with your fingers and raise or lower the seat back and the headrest to the desired height. Then return the headrest height adjustment lever fully flat and press close the fabric headrest adjustment cover. You can place your other hand on the seat bottom to keep the seat still while adjusting the height when there's no child sitting in the seat. You can also use the lift recess on the back of the seat.